How do you convert customary units of capacity? Think about this question during the lesson. Sue is making punch. She needs 3 3/4 cups of orange juice and 5 pints of lemonade. How many fluid ounces of orange juice and how many quarts of lemonade does she need?
You can multiply or divide to get from one unit of capacity to a different one.
To change a larger unit to a smaller unit, multiply. 3 3/4 cups equals how many fluid ounces? Will the number of fluid ounces be less than or greater than 8?
Select your answer.
The number of fluid ounces will be greater than 8. How do you know this? There are 8 fluid ounces in 1 cup, so 3 3/4 cups will be more than 8 fluid ounces. Multiply 3 3/4 times 8. So 3 3/4 cups equals 30 fluid ounces. To change a smaller unit to a larger unit, divide. 5 pints equals how many quarts? Two pints equals 1 quart. Find 5 divided by 2. Five divided by 2 equals 5 halves, and 5 halves equals 2 1/2. So 5 pints equals 2 1/2 quarts. Why does it make sense that it takes fewer quarts than pints to equal the same amount of lemonade? Since a quart container is larger than a pint container, it takes fewer quarts to equal the same amount of lemonade. Now you know how to convert customary units of capacity.